Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve keeps closing on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps closing on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox. Here in this page of app info you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about Roblox. And if you will find here in this blue sign update in this page, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.